Hello friends, this is Shazad and you are watching Shazad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to unlock iPhone lock to owner, how to unlock iCloud activation lock on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max without any third-party softwares, without iTunes and without computers. So watch this video till end to unlock your iPhone lock to owner. So just swipe up and here you can select the language, tap on English. Here you can see select your country or region, so swipe up and here you can select United States. I am from United States, so you can select your own country, so I am select the United States. Here you can see appearance, tap on continue. Now you can see quick start, setup without another device, tap on it. Here you can see choose a Wi-Fi network, so choose your Wi-Fi network and enter your Wi-Fi passcode. So after entering Wi-Fi passcode, tap on join. Wait for a few seconds until your device is connected to the Wi-Fi. And here you can see it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Wait for a few seconds until your device is activated. Here you can see iPhone lock to owner. This iPhone was lost and erased, so tap on back and here you can wait for a few seconds. Tap on back. You can repeat this method for 2 or 3 times. So tap on back button, again tap on back button, and here you can press and hold the power button, and now you can appear on the screen emergency call, accessibility options, Wi-Fi settings, start over, shutdown and cancel. Tap on Wi-Fi settings. Here you can press the I button and scroll to the down and select configures DNS, tap on it. Here you can see manual and automatic, tap on manual. Add server. Here you can add this server on your device to unlock your device. 155 star 166 star 102 156 167 103 www.icloud.activation .com www.sport.apple.com and tap on save button. Go back, wait for a few seconds. Here you can see continue, tap on continue, wait for a few seconds. It may take a few minutes to activate your device, so wait for a few seconds until your device is activated and your device lock to owner is removed successfully. So wait for a few seconds. There is no cut in this video, so you can just watch this video. So data and privacy, tap on continue. Setup for myself, setup later, create an passcode, tap on passcode option. So don't use passcode, don't transfer anything, forgot password or don't have an Apple ID, set up later in settings, don't use, agree, continue, not know, enable location services, set up later in settings, set up later in settings, set up later in settings, don't share. Oh, continue, welcome to iPhone, swipe up to get started. So here you can see iPhone lock to owner is removed. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.